Welcome back. So, in the previous week, I've said that in times that we don't know, don't try to fix things. Don't try to do something now or manage something now in your relationship or with your own concerns or your partner's concerns. But relationally, just stay present with each other through listening and through sharing. Now, there can be a question, there can be a concern to say, this is not the time to do nothing. Listening is doing nothing. We need to fix something. We need to do something. Now, the tip for this week is listening and to choose to be present with each other in connection is not doing nothing. Two people meeting each other in connection is doing everything. A lot happens in connection, especially in vulnerable times like this, where we feel anxious, where we feel concerned. This is not a time to be in isolation. This is not a time to be alone. This is now a time to feel connected. And what will happen there when you experience connection in marriage, in a relationship, in times like this, there's something inside that go like, a relief that yes, there is things that really concern us, but we are not dying. We are not stopping to exist. It's just things going wrong or things that we don't know in the outside world. But as we belong, we are connected. That sense of connection, that sense of belonging in times like this, create this relief. And that is the place where you can really become creative. You will not be creative on places of isolation and anxiety, but in places of connection. Even if you feel fear, that is the best context to be creative. So you're not doing nothing by listening and sharing. You do everything. You create your best context to survive times like this. In evolution, we see it's not really the strongest that have survived. There's many people looking back that say it is the animals and the organisms that could adapt and that could connect. To connect is a very, very important survival skill. Please stay healthy for this week. Please stay safe. Please stay connected. All the best for this week.